Okay, now let's delete. I think we might have already. Now we need to add an event handler to the delete button. Delete button dot set attribute on click delete user. So I need to pass the I value, double quotes, double plus I. So the actual I value will be appended. So let me create a new file called delete.js. Okay, now function delete user. I will be getting I from there. Now users dot splice I, which is actually index. How many values I would like to delete. After this delete happen, what I'm going to do, I'm going to call display users function, which is going to display the latest users. Then I would like to parallelly update in local storage as well. Dot set item users JSON dot stringify of users. Now this file is supposed to be added to our application. So source delete.js. Let's run now. When I refresh, I think currently I don't have any records or what. Referencer I is not defined. Create.js line number 41. Delete user I is not defined. Oh, why? Oh, sorry. I is supposed to be added here. Because I am using map statement. Because I have used map statement, I won't be available by default. I need to take it as an argument. Now I think I'm done. Now let me check. Perfect. Go to application. See, perfect. Now let me add one more record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add. Perfect. Now I have. Now let me delete the first record. Yes. So now we have done with the delete functionality. Now what we will do in the next video is we will complete the edit functionality.